Hello guys, let's talk about iOS 26.2 features. This is a iOS 26.2. We'll talk about its features and how it appears and what are the functionalities and features and how it enhances user experience. Let's get started. iOS 26.2 has officially been released by Apple. It has some great features that's been appreciated by the users. Let's have a look at the features of iOS 26.2 version. iOS 26.2 offers liquid glass customization, which offers amazing appearance to your device. Another great feature is offline lyrics in Apple Music that has made people fan of this update. Offline lyrics in Apple Music lets you read lyrics even without being connected to internet. Another great feature is alarm style reminder that lets you set reminder just like an alarm and offers snooze option. This offers airdrop sharing by codes so that you can trust the people you share things with. For more information and update, subscribe to the channel now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.